Like to introduce myself. So I am Raju Mithra Kanteti, the founder and CEO of Synchronota Technologies Private Limited. It's completely working on generative AI and some training programs, digital solutions to the US clients. Previously I worked at Amazon as an AI Alexa data trainer with experience in building a lot of tech projects and working with a major team at Amazon. And mainly I'm a AI enthusiast. Until now, I am building different generative AI applications. I am contributing myself to the different companies from the side of Synchronota and Scale AI Labs. Currently, I'm working at Scale AI Labs as an AI engineer to train AI models, generative AI models, and reviewing the models, how whether it is working or not, what is the response, what is the main approach to develop the applications. It's all the things I'm going to solve some real world problems through my team at Scale AI Labs, which is located at San Francisco, California, USA. Yeah, this is a basic introduction about me. So mainly in today's session, we are going to explore about prompt engineering. Okay, so we are exploring how to give some instructions to AI like more effectively using prompt engineering. Okay, we'll understand the types of at the end of the session. Understand the types of prompts, techniques, and real world use cases, and all in very simple and practical way. So theoretical way is okay, that's fine. But when you are go with the practical, you will get some more information. Okay, so of the session, we'll go with the theoretical session. Then we'll move to the practical session. Okay. So yeah, now let's begin our prompt engineering. So what is prompt engineering? Okay. So simply we can say uh, giving some instructions to the LLM to get a desired output. Okay. Giving some instructions to the LLM to get a desired output. Yes or no? Respond in chat box. Yeah. How many of you know giving prompts to the AI models like ChatGPT or anything? Prompt engineering.
Guys, you can
How?
respond in the chat box. It's not an one-way session, it's an interactive session, so you can speak out
Yes,
or ping that in comment section.
yes. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, okay. So, how many of you know what is prompt engineering? Just before that, we will explore some LLMs. Okay, ChatGPT. Responding chat box. ChatGPT. Fine. So, yeah. Then Google. Google Assistant. We will explore some new content from Google Assistant at the end of the session. The third one, but these are all LLMs before all the tools like Perplexity. We got a few tools recently. Before that, we have only main few tools, which is but Google Copilot, all the things. So, what is prompt engineering? The mainly, what is prompt engineering? So, prompt engineering is nothing but let's assume with one diagram. So, this is a person. Let's assume person robot. So I would like to ask a few questions to the ChatGPT to get some practical information or some confidential information. Okay. Or I need first one information, second one images. Okay. We need to provide some instructions. Okay. We need to provide some instructions. So it will take the instructions in between human and robot. NLP will work. Okay. What is the working of NLP? What is the role? So NLP role is conversion. Okay. NLP can convert human language to machine language. Machine language is nothing but 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. We all know binary language. So when we give some instructions to the ChatGPT or any LLM or any GPTs, NLP will works in between the machine and person, human. It will take some instruction from the human, it converts into the machine language and it provides to the machine. Then machine checks everything, what are the instructions will be provided by the human. It will check some everything and take some information from the pre-trained models. Then it will again provide to the NLP. Okay. Then it send back to the NLP. Then it send back to the NLP. NLP again it converts into the human language. Okay. So just remember the here NLP is there. Okay. Just remember. Yes. Now move to the prompt engineering. So what is prompt engineering? Simply we can say like this: um, providing providing instructions, providing instructions to the GPT to get which output? Respond on chat box. We are providing some instruction to the GPTs to get what type of output? Desired output. Okay, desired output. Okay, is it okay? Screen is visible to you guys, or we can change the main content to the PowerPoint presentation. If you are okay, that's fine. Otherwise, we can explore to the PowerPoint presentation. It's fine. It's fine now. Yeah. Now move to the main content. So in a simple language, we can say prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is about crafting. Please note down crafting smart inputs to get a desired output. To get desired outputs. Okay, we learn about crafting inputs and the desired outputs. So what's the input? Input is nothing but we can think it as think we can give some clear instructions, clear instructions. We can say clear instructions or commands to the AI. Okay, instruction like inputs means either clear instructions or commands to the AI to get a desired output. Okay, for example, let's say um, instead of saying tell me something, okay, instead of saying tell me something, tell me something, Okay, instead of saying tell me something, you can try like you can try this. Tell me a fun fact. Okay, tell me a fun fact about space in one line. So basically, let's when we'll move to the practical session, we'll explore everything in a practical way. Just listen first. So I'm going to ask some questions. Sorry, I'm going to ask. Uh, I'm going to give some instruction to the ChatGPT, which is tell me something. Okay, you don't know about what it need to respond, what type of content need to provide as in output. So again, I am giving another instructions or another command, which is try tell me a few fun fact about space. It will give a better result. Okay, when we directly mentioned fun fact about space in one line. Okay, emotion, main area, and finally instruction. Okay, emotional, main area, instruction. So basically, when we provide the second input to the chat GPT, it will give a better output. Okay, which is mainly on space itself. Okay, next, why is prompt engineering? Okay, why is prompt engineering is important? We know when we provide better inputs to the chat GPTs or AI models, it will give a desired output which meets all the requirements. Just give me a moment, guys. Yeah, sorry for the interruption, guys. So when we give better inputs or prompts, then we will get a better result from the AI. Okay. So the quality of your prompt determines the quality of the AI response. It mainly depends on your input itself. Okay. And another thing is it will save lot of time. For example, let's take a real-time scenario. In a previous 4 to 5 years back, uh, some of the students they don't know how to write an email to the HRs, recruiters, or college department, HODs or anything regarding any issue or any situation. Now they can mail within few seconds because of using AI. They can simply writing a prompt, which is uh, I would like to generate a mail on which topic they are providing a topic, which is regarding hiring or internship application, or I would like to take leave. So all these types they are providing some instructions to the ChatGPT, which is reason and everything, how many days, how many specific dates from where to where they are traveling, time and everything they are mentioning in a prompt. It will directly providing the excellent output by using AI. Okay, let's take a one real-time example. Write a professional email asking for leave for 2 days. Gets you ready for send draft. Okay, so let's move to the practical session. So first, we will explore. Tell me something. Did you know the octopuses have three hearts and a blue blood? Two of their heart forms. I just gave some prompt like tell me something, but it giving different content which is not up to the mark. Okay. So now I would like to give some main content which provides all the things. Tell me a fun fact. Tell me a fun fact about space. Here we mentioning fun fact. The emotion, the area, specific area is nothing but space in one line. A day on Venus is longer than its years. Venus take 243 Earth days to rotate once by, but only 225 to orbit the sun. So మనం ఏదైతే like sorry. So what we are saying, what we are giving, providing or instructing the AI, that is, tell me a fun fact about space in one line. It will provide one fun fact. Okay, and like this, we can move to the next slide. That is example. Write a professional email. Ask for leave 2 days. So I just writing. Help me with email content to take leave. Basically, this is a very poor prompting. Just see, we will check our difference after completion of the session. This is a poor prompting. Help me with email content to take 2 days leave. Write email to my manager. See, providing some subject, the manager name. I hope you are doing well. I would like to suggest, I would like to request leave for specific dates. Okay, due to a reason. Please let me know if you need any additional information or if I should ensure coverage of for any responsibility during my absence. So it will asking it will providing the content that is uh, which contains a subject. The mail the mail must contain the subject, uh, recipient name, and the main information which we are convincing to the mentor or manager. And the main thing is documents or reference to get a leave approval. Okay, so this is a basic template. Then we will move to the better prompt. Okay, generate a generate a email, or you can say you can give a prompt like write a email to my manager, name or Ravi Babu. Okay, regarding regarding some personal health issues. Okay, so here we are mentioning the manager name, the main reason, dates, 12/5/2025 to 18/5/2025. Make sure the mail should be the mail should be in convincing way. Okay, let's see. Here I am provided some manager name, main reason, dates, and finally I give. make sure the mail should be in convincing way. Okay. Subject: leave request from 12th to 18 May due to health reasons. Dear Rahul Babu, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to inform you that I am currently experiencing some personal health issues that require attention. So, check here. This is a convincing point. To focus on recovery and ensure I return to work in good health and with potential and with full productivity. I will ensure that any ongoing responsibilities are either completed in advance or hand over appropriately to manage or minimize any distraction. Let me know if you would like to me to coordinate with the team before my leave begins. I truly appreciate your understanding. This is a convincing point. I truly appreciate your understanding and support, and I assure you will stay in touch if anything urgent. Okay, so let's see. Uh, we can explore the previous mail. It's just given the simple template, but when we mentioned make sure the mail should be in convincing way. Okay, it will give the best lines to convince the managers. Okay, yeah. So then we'll move to the next session. Sorry, next slide. So we have a few types of prompts. First one, zero shot. Second one shot. Third one, two shot prompting. Fourth one, COT, chain of thought. Fifth one, role based prompting. Sixth one, instruction based prompting. There are totally more than six, but here only six is the main prompting types. Okay. First, we will explore zero shot prompting. Guys, please note down some of the points. Then it will be useful to you in your career. Alright. Okay. Then first, we'll explore about zero shot prompting. So basically, what is zero shot prompting? Okay, all you know, just ask. You just ask your question without giving examples. Okay, without giving examples. It's a fast and simple, but not ideal for complex tasks. Okay. We'll explore one practically thing. So give me a moment, guys. So, sorry for the interruption, guys. Yeah. So basically, in zero shot prompting, we are not providing any inputs or any examples to the AI. Okay, and it's a fast and simple, but not ideal for complex tasks. It's just for simple task. Okay, let's explore one practical example. Translate. Uh, good morning. Good morning to Spanish, or we can mention Telugu. Translate good morning to Telugu. Good morning in Telugu is Shubhodayam. Okay, pronounced Shubhodayam. So just check here. Would you provide any instruction or any examples to the AI? Respond to chat box. Did we provide any instructions or any inputs or any examples to the AI or ChatGPT? No. This is a zero shot prompting. Okay, we are not providing any example to the AI. It will generate the content with the pre-timed content. with the help of pre-trained content. Okay, so here pre-trained is nothing but pre-trained nothing but train the AI models with huge amount or large volumes of data. Okay, train the AI model with a huge amount of data, which contains images, audio, video, anything. Basically, do you know what is the definition of generative AI? What is generative AI? Just respond in chat box. What is generative AI? What is generative AI? Do you know? Okay, just note on guys. It will be very easy. Generative AI is nothing but generating new content, generating new content like images, text, audio, video, code. This is generative AI. Okay, prompt engineering is part of generative AI. Prompt engineering is a part of generative AI. Okay, just please note down or just remember what is generative AI. In zero shot prompting, we already explored. Translate good morning to Spanish or Telugu, anything. It will provide our output, which is Shubhodayam. We are not mentioned any specific thing, any specific example. Okay, this is zero shot prompting. Then one shot prompting. We are providing only one example. Okay, we are providing only one example to give a to get a relevant output from the AI, output from the GPT. Just for getting relevant information, we are providing one example. Okay, it helps model to understand the pattern, what type of information, from which source we need to get information, or which source, or in a which format they need to provide information or output to the human. Okay, let's take a simple example, which is 2 plus 2 equals to, we all know 2 plus 2 is 4, which is 5 plus 3, absolutely 8. So before that, we are providing um, solve this problem. 2 plus 2 equals to 4, or 5 plus 6 equals 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 2 plus 67 equals to, the first equation is 5 plus 5 equals to 10, which is a standard arithmetic result. Okay, so applying the same logic, 2 plus 67 equals to 69. Let me know if you are looking for a ready style or pattern based answers. So I need pattern based answers. Great. Let's look at the pattern based pattern, or reveal rather standard math. Yes. So obviously, yeah. Yeah. Check here. In a pattern based idea one, it will provide the basic outline. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 2 plus 67 equals to 16. But when we explore the Pattern 2 checks concatenate digits or reverse logic. Sometimes puzzles use quickers like reversing digits or mixing positions. Now we got answer 15. Okay, so just consider this answer. Next, 671. Okay, fine. There are a lot of pattern ideas, but we will check one and two. Pattern one and pattern two. In a pattern one, we already provided one simple example, which is 5 plus 5 equals to 10. In the same way, it recognizes the example. Okay, it recognizes the pattern from the example which was provided by us. Okay, which was provided by human. In the same way, it provided a answer 69. Okay, in a pattern two, it concatenates digits or reverse the logics. In a 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 5 and 5 is the same equals to. So then it will be doubled as 10. But when it comes to the 2 plus 67, it considers 67 as separate digits. Okay. When it sums, we got 15. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of patterns which was they were trained by lot of patterns. But we need to mention the specific pattern to get a desired output. Okay. This is the second prompting technique, which is one-shot prompting. Let's move to the few-shot prompting. In a few-shot prompting, basically we need to provide some multiple examples. Okay, multiple examples. Then it will take a pattern of every example and providing a excellent output or desired output with accuracy of 99.9%. Okay, it will useful for tasks needing clear patterns. So then move to the one practical example. Here we are provided the apple equals to fruit, carrot, fruit. Carrot equals to vegetable. Dog is equals to, we'll ask GPT. So Python equals to C equals to programming language. English English equals to conversational language. Then 3 equals to nice. Yes. C equals to programming language. English equals to conversational language. So basically, what we provided item, it will categorize the type. Okay. Then we what we asked or what we given just three. So what category does three belongs to? Possible answers. These are the possible answers. It may be a number, most straightforward. It may be a number, or it may be a odd number. It may be a digit. The final answer is three equals to number. The most probably we can call it as number. Okay. So this is a by providing multiple examples, we can get a specific desired output generated by the AI. Okay. For this, we will explore one more example. Um, Wait a moment. Okay, let's see another example. Sentence. Okay, in a sentence, we are giving. Uh, I love this session. Okay, I love this session. Sentiment, posi- positive. Okay, sentence. This is the second sentence. Um, this is a great service. Okay, sentence. Sorry, sentiment, positive. Sentence. I hate. What we can say. This is worst movie ever. Sentiment should be negative. Then now sentence. The final. We will ask one question. I am thrilled with the service. Okay, I'm thrilled with the service. Sentiment. So we are asking sentiment. It will analyzing the pattern which was provided by us previously. The word thrilled conveys strong positive emotion. Okay, context. Being thrilled with the service reinforces that it's satisfying or excellent experience. So the sentiment to be positive. Well, no. We are providing some multiple examples. Okay. In a zero shot prompting, we are not providing any example to the AI models to get a desired output. Okay. In a one shot prompting, we are providing only one example to the AI to get a desired output. In a few shot prompting, we are providing multiple examples to get a desired output. Okay. Then chain of thoughts. So mainly, what is chain of thoughts? This is one of the main topic in a prompt engineering. One is the main, or important type. Okay, important topic, which is chain of thought. We can call it as COT, chain of thought, COT prompting. So basically, chain of thought prompting encourages the AI to think step by step. Okay, to think step by step to solve a real world problems. Okay, to solve real world problems or to reach the final answer. Okay, we can say it as uh, think step by step to reach the final answer. It's useful for logical reasoning in a mathematical. It completely used in mathematical logical reasoning, mathematical problems, and complex tasks. Complex task is nothing but that required in a complex task. We need to provide some intermediate thinking. In that situation, we'll use COT instead of jumping the answers. Um, the model is guided to explain its process, step by step process. Okay, so just like we can say this, just like how we show works in school. For example, in our schooling time or in our intermediate time, our teachers or faculty members, they are giving some homework to us. So at the end of the day, we are going to the home and then zigzag after completion of the homework. Then we will go to the next day to the school. We are showing our homework to the teacher or a faculty member. Ma'am, I have completed my homework. If you are not completing your homework, you will be silent because of you are not completed now. The person who are completing homework, he or she they'll enjoy lot of okay like that. It explaining its process just like how we are showing works or homeworks in a school. So general structure. I would like to give one general structure. Let's see here example. I have three pencils and buy two more. How many pencils I have? So we'll explore one more example. So, real time example question. I am providing question. John has three apples. So, everyone, please try to solve this problem. John has three apples. He buys two more. Okay, two more. Then he gives one to his friend. One to his friend. Then how many apples does he have now? Answer. So anyone, please respond on chat box. Show your reasoning skills. So what make a good prompt and there are any rules? Yeah, yes, Praneet, you asked you to show the unseen color. Yes, we will explore everything at the end of the session. AI systems that generate content like text, image. Yeah, good, Krishna. So what makes a good prompt? Yeah, at the end of the session, I will provide some prompting techniques, best tips, and I will share some documents which will help you to get more and more information, and you can learn yourself as well. Okay, anyone can solve this problem. John has three apples. He buys two more. Then he gives one to his friend. How many apples does John have now? Four apples. Just thanks for the response. Let's move to the explanation. Let's see. Let's solve it step by step process. John starts with three apples. He buys two more. Three plus two equals to five apples. He gives one apple to a friend, which is five minus one equals to four apples. Great answer. Okay. So, did we mention any COT technique or anything? No. We just mentioned the question. Okay. This is a mathematical problem. So, it's solved in a proper manner, in a step by step process. So, in another example, we can say a bottle holds 2 liters of water. How many milliliters is that? For example, let's ask a question. Uh, question. A bottle holds 2 liters of water. How many milliliters is that? 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. So if a bottle holds 2 liters, 2 into 1000 equals to 2000 milliliters. This is the correct answer. So this is the fourth technique. Okay, COT. While while we are exploring about mathematical or arithmetic reasoning or anything, you can using this technique. Question column. You can provide your instruction comments or inputs to the ChatGPT or any AI model. It will provide the best answer, desired output. Okay. Next, role based prompting. This is one of the best prompting techniques ever. Okay, which is never old. So let's move to the a practical example after completion of the basic critical part. Assigning a role to the AI for context aware responses. Okay, in this, I am going to act as a okay, act as imagine like this. We are saying few. We are assigning roles to the AI. Next, makes answers more relevant and professional. You are a travel guide. Suggest 3 days, three places in Japan. So for this, I would like to ask a few questions. without role prompting and with role prompting. First, we will explore without role prompting. Um, build a um, build a student portfolio. This is a basic without role prompting. Build a student portfolio. So just to ask the build a student portfolio. I mentioned build, but it providing content, it providing text of a resume. Okay, without role prompting. Now I would like to giving role prompting as act as a professional. Okay, act as a professional full stack developer. Build a student portfolio. Let's say this is a role prompting. Act as a, imagine as a. Okay. Now it will provide all the code. You see, simply it provides. It's using React. It providing a simple student portfolio. Yeah. It contains header, nothing but name, headline, email, and everything. Simple introduction in a paragraph. So skills, projects, and everything. Experience, education. It covers everything. Just we mentioned act as a full stack developer. Okay, act as a full stack developer. This is a role prompting. Okay, uh, we can take one more example. For example, please please help me with um, diet plan to lose weight and belly fat. Let's see. Please help me with diet plan to lose weight and belly fat. Calorie defect. So it providing all the content which is a calorie defect. What are the food we need to take? What should avoid? Everything. Foods to focus on. Foods to limit. But I don't need all these things. Now we'll go with role based prompting. Act as a nutritionist or gym trainer. Okay. Act as a gym trainer. I want to lose weight and belly fat within 30 days. Please help me with diet, exercises. Absolutely, losing weight and belly fat in 30 days is possible with dedication, consistency, and the right combination of diet and exercise. Yes. So now we can check yes, sample daily meal plan, breakfast, mid-morning snacks, lunch, and everything. Yeah. It provided each and every thing like exercises, what type of exercises we need to perform, warm up, warm down, circuits, everything. day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, everything. Additionally, it can provide a consistency stick plan for the 30 days. It's suggesting drink plenty of water, 8 to 10 cups or nearly 3 to 4 liters of water. Track progress through photos, measurements, or body fat percentage. Get enough sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night. Listen to your body. If you are fatigued, take a rest. It provides all the information, explores everything. Like it acts as a gym trainer to solve our problem. Okay, role based prompting. Next, instruction based prompting. For example, let's take generate uh, what is prompt engineering. Okay, instruction prompting is nothing but providing a clear or proper instruction to get desired output. Okay, for better understanding, we'll go with the practically. What is prompt engineering? So I don't have more time to explore what is prompt engineering, the types and everything, key aspects, examples, why prompt engineering is important. But I need to complete all this topic within 2 minutes. What you can do as a student, or as a student, you can explore the main headings or main single points. But don't do like that. Just you can give one prompt. Mm, Summarize the above output within 10 lines. Summarize the above output within 10 lines. Prompt engineering is the process of reasoning. Okay, it will summarize. But I am unable to understand the professional English or high level of English. In that scenario, we can do one thing. Mm, Please help me with the above content in simple human English, human conversational English. Prompt engineering is all about creating clear and specific instruction to get the desired response from AI models like GPT. It helps guides the AI to give you exactly what you are looking for. So just check while you are summarizing the content. Prompt engineering is the process of designing and refining input prompts to effectively interact with AI models like GPT. The goal is to create a specific, clear, efficient instruction to get a desired response. Key aspects, everything. So now we instructed the AI to give a specific content or within few lines, within 10 lines, in a simple English. Okay. So when we mention the instruction, it will definitely give us a best output. Is nothing but instructing. So then we have a few prompting techniques. We have six types: zero shot, one shot, few shot, COT, role based prompting, and instruction based prompting. Now prompting techniques: format specification, step by step instruction, role setting. Each it will provide a clarity accuracy. So first move to the technique one. Ask AI to respond, which is a specify output format. Ask AI to respond bullet points or tables or JSON. Do you know we can generate the same content in a table format, bullet points, or anything. Let's explore. Generative difference between traditional AI, traditional AI, and generative AI. Here is the simple comparison between traditional AI and generative AI. Traditional AI, purpose, output, and everything. Okay. Now it's providing step by line by line, line by line. But I need to mention, I would like to mention, it should be in, it should be in tabular format. It should be in tabular format. If the aspects, uh, purpose, functionality, data dependency, output, training method, examples, and everything. Traditional AI, generative AI. Just you can remember the previous information or previous content which was generated by AI. So it provided step by step process, step by step information. It leads to some miscommunication between misleading to get the information. But now we can explore traditional AI, generative AI side by side. What the difference? We can learn more and more what the difference, what the main differences are facing. So, and one more example, please give the above content in bullet points. Okay, in bullet points. So, while we are asking or while we are instructing to the AI, this is I need the output in bullet points. So it provided the output in the bullet points. Or specifically, we can mention like this: list three uses of AI in numbers one, two, three. So if we mention bullet point, then it provides in a bullet points, tables or tables, anything. Okay. So this is the first technique, which is specific output format. The second technique is ask step by step format. So we need to here we can apply COT. Okay, we can apply COT. It provides a step by step process to meet the final result. Okay, to get to providing a final result or desired output in a logical manner. So it is best for problem solving or mathematically. Okay, so let's explore one real time example for the step by step process. Explain how rain forms. Uh, do you know how rain forms? Basically, we don't know. Step by step. Okay, explain how rain forms step by step. First, evaporation. Water from oceans, rivers, lakes, and other water bodies gets heated by sun and turns into water vapor, rising into the air. Okay. Second, condensation. As the water vapor rises, it cools down into the atmosphere. When it cools, it condenses into teeny water droplets or ice crystals. Next, cloud formation. It will form some clouds, then it will drop rain, perception and everything. This is the step by step process. Okay. So just we need to mention step by step. It's enough. It's the technique. Step by step. Okay. Next, third one, use a road. We already explored road. No problem. We'll explore one more example. Act as act like a 10th grade teacher. Okay. Explain Newton's first law. Okay. Step by step. Oh, sorry, sorry. Not a step by step. Wait a moment. We are performing role based. We are using roles. All right, let's talk about Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law is often called law of inertia. An object at rest will stay at rest. An object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by a unbalanced force. Okay. It provides a real-time example as well. Imagine you are riding in a car and the car suddenly stops. Your body keeps moving forward because of inertia. The seat belt is the force that helps stop your body from continuing to move forward. Okay. So in simple terms, Newton first law says that things like to keep doing what they are already doing, whether they are staying still or moving. Based on the action, the inertia, the performance, the environment will be changes. Okay, this is the real time example. It's a role based example. Okay, then finally use delimiters. Do you know delimiters? Use symbols like delimiter. It will like yeah, it will present under escape button. Okay, it will present under escape button or quotes to separate instructions and data. Improves focus and clarity for the AI. Example: summarize this. The sun is a star. When we providing this type of delimiters, it will mainly focusing on a particular information or particular instruction, a particular command, okay, or particular information. We can add construction, okay, delimiters. There are a lot of things, delimiters. Then constraints. Do you know constraints? We can add the word limits, tones, structure to our prompts. So write a professional email in under 100 words. This is a word limit. Okay, this is a word limit. Let's explore word limit. Then tone in convincing way, and finally formatting rules. Better to get positive result. Request for approval of a project or proposal name. I hope this mentions something. I would I would appreciate your support in moving forward with this proposal. Okay. So just we are providing some main information or within 100 words. Okay. Just this is constraints. And finally, the common mistakes what we are what we are doing in prompting. Okay. So first, confusing responses. It's nothing but not a clear responses. It's too long and complex. The response should be accurate, informative, and finally we need to fix with the structured and specific prompting instructions. I will share the one PDF. It contains all the information, what is the prompt engineering and what are the instructions, what are the rules we need to follow, and everything. Tips for better prompts. Start with a simple. Start with simple and it should be simple and clear. What we are saying to the what we are giving to the GPT or AI, what you are instructing to the AI, it should be clear. For example, you went to the chicken shop or you went to the supermarket. You don't know whether what type of payment mode you need to use. You have phone pay and everything, but they are not working. In that situation, like the billing section guy will ask you certain what type of payment mode will be. In that situation, you are being hurry or you are not up to giving reply. In that situation, you will get some confused manner. So the prompt should be in a clear section. Okay, just wait a moment, guys. Just Yes, sir. The prompt should be clear. We need to provide some examples to get the desired outputs and output styles. Before explaining to the main content, just you need to check whether it is up to the mark or desired or not. Okay, you need to explore everything. And finally, the real-time examples are writing emails and resumes, homework help and content creation, code generation, translations, image generations, and everything. So then move to the content. Can you ask GPT show the answer? Yeah, what is the prompt? Yes, ma'am. I think it's around 21 minutes or late. Prompt engineering makes AI smarter and more helpful to get a desired output and build robust applications. Keep try to focus on prompt engineering. Keep practicing more with more examples. It will be beneficial to you. Do you have any questions regarding this? So guys, basically, I would like to give one more like one prompting to Ravi Babu. Simple prompting. Just I am allowed to give one more session because today I am bit hurry with another meetings. I didn't check my schedule, so I have meeting at 7:30. So that way I'm getting continuous calls from clients. Sorry for the interruptions in between the session. So I know I'm giving some information, and I will share the PPTs and PDF to get a master at prompt engineering. Ravi Babu will share everything with you. And Ravi Babu, if possible, just have to make one more session. Prompt engineering, it's not completed within 1 day or 1 hour. It need you need some more time to explore everything with real time examples. So, if possible, try to schedule one more session. I'll definitely join with you. Yeah, sure. Sure, Rahul. We'll share the PPTs and the PDFs to Ravi Babu. Ravi Babu will share with you. Okay. Yes.
And
Thank you, Ravi Babu.
thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you for making your time for us, and thank you for taking your time to Slate Valley. And that was a powerful and insightful session. A huge thank to you, sir, Mithra sir, Raj Mithra sir, and
Yes. Yes.
sharing your such practical examples and strategies on prompt engineering. It was literally great to us. Furtherly, definitely we will be conducting one more session on prompt engineering uh, as results from our students.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you, Ravi Babu. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. See you guys.
Yes,
See you on next session. Ravi Babu, a small suggestion. Just
yes, sir.
please note down the questions which was asked by the candidates. Then I'll give a reply in Word document. I'll share with all the reports. Yes,
Okay,
separately,
sure.
I'll give the information in a PDF format. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. See you.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, guys. That that's the thing I told you before also that speakers are little busy and they are making time for us. We need to look after that also. As of now, the session on prompt engineering has ended.